We're inside the gym at 235 on Market Street, and this mirror is unsalvageable, or so they thought. So we've got this really cool magical film called Mirror Shield. And what's gonna happen is we're gonna remove the electrical plate there, cover those guys up, and install what's called Graffiti Shield, Mirror Shield. And Mirror Shield is this really cool magical film that's gonna go right on top of this, and it's gonna look like a brand new mirror all over again. This is way more cost effective than buying one of these 5-foot by 7-foot pieces of glass mirror and having it installed. How much are these things? $1,000, couple $1,000, plus the labor, plus the hassle, right? So we've got, for a quarter of the price, I can put a piece of film on here. It's gonna look like a brand new mirror all over again. So check it out, stick around, see how we do this, okay? So I'm getting the back of this wet, so that way it'll create some friction in there and a little stickiness. And then I'm going to split the backing from here. So there's 2 layers to this. There's the film that you see, and there's a backing that's protecting the adhesive. Now the backing is rolled onto the back side of this, and as I unroll this, this is the adhesive exposed right here. And you want that to go back. And you'll notice I'm not wetting the very top of this because I don't want any debris from the very top to come down on us. So stop about 6 to 8 inches below. And I sprayed my film, the top of the film. This guy's gonna go on here. Put that in place. The tape over here. It's not sliding around. Okay. I like to line up the bottom edge and leave just the tiniest little gap at the top. We'll get this edge to line up exactly where we want it. Now let's set it. We're not doing a full squeegee, we're just getting the big pockets out and getting it to sit in place, kind of tacking it down without too much pressure. Locks it in place and make sure that there's no big water pockets or dry spots or anything weird. Right, that's the first pass. Now I gotta do another one, a lot harder. All right, let's give this a quick cleaning. I need to change the rubber on this blade so the street says behind. Alright. Marvelous. All right. And look, we've got a perfectly great mirror again. There's no rust spot there. There's no rust spot there. You can see down here, there's nothing down there anymore. And it matches the mirror right next to it. This is Graffiti Shield Mirror Shield. This is fantastic in situations like this where it's a gym. You could also use it in gyms like this. If it's just too expensive to buy these as mirrors, you just buy the plastic paneling, some plexiglass polycarbonate panels. We put the mirror shield on there. That's usually less expensive and it's safe. It's a lot harder to break polycarbonate panels, but if it's glass, it breaks pretty easily. But we use these in gyms, we use these in bathrooms, we use these in elevators, we use these in homes, we use these in restaurants, we use this all over the place. In fact, downtown San Diego, I've got at least 10 places within 3 blocks of me, we've installed this film. You could have it on your property too. All right, Eric, here we have it. There was a rust spot there, there was a rust spot there, there was rust spots down along the bottom. And voila, just like magic, it's all gone. So why don't you reach out to us at Wolfgang and let us know if you need a mirror shield like this or maybe an anti-graffiti film on your gym mirrors. You can get a hold of us at 619-771-1770. You can also get a hold of us at sales@wolfgangfilm.com.